So explain to us what you're doing here.
So this is basically what we call a oversized shed, but we use this as a prototype model, small enough that we could prove the system, you know, how it works when you model a house and you can build off the ground. So one of the things that we had to do here, it was a challenge, and is how to make this floor system actually be suitable for standard construction without having to go on top of a foundation. So we created nothing but as simple as just the sonotube system. We used a anchor bolt, which is a post base. Most people understand that. And then we ran a open web truss all the way across, and that truss is meant to support 1,000 pounds per square foot. So it's that simple. So this is basically what you're gonna get for your house. And the next thing that we need to do here is use what one has a system for the sheathing, apply it on it, insulate the inside, and now you have your home. So
super easy.
Super easy. It's
right
quick,
in, meets code.
Meets code. Yeah, anywhere in the country you go, you show this to a building department, they will just die for it, because no chance of any rotting, termites, fire. This thing will outlast any product in the market today. It's galvanized, so it's something that
what about hurricanes?
Hurricane proof. This is 100% hurricane proof. One quick thing I want to show is you see this cape racing. So what this provides is provide a self-supporting shear system that allows it to support hurricanes. That's the reason why we use this. And as you can see, we have 4 corners in this box, on this box.
Super smart.
So we have 4 corners that are supporting wind, north to west, north to south, and also east to west as well. Yeah, very, very simple.
Now, question.
Yeah.
How fast did it take to assemble this?
Well, between production, assemble of the panels in erection, it took us 4 men about 6 hours.
Wow.
All together.
And I can attest to that, because we are building a big building, and we got the framing up. We'll be framing done a 2,400 square foot build within 2 days.
2 days.
And that's what that sheathing will be done in 5 days, the whole entire box dried in. And the great thing is, we're saving thousands of dollars by using a pier system rather than pouring a concrete slab.
100%, no excavation, no
no
DEP, Department of Environmental Protection, none of that fills in. So all you need to do is you show up to your local building department. You tell them, I have this box that I want to install on my yard, on my property, and then you tell them about the footings that you want to use, the sonotubes, and then off you go. It's simple as it comes. Very simple.
Also flooding.
Flooding, yeah, you above ground, so no worries about flooding. You also, I mean, one of the things that we have not done here is what we were talking is we try and create a floor assembly system. So the way that we're going to push this, we're going to run some sort of a waterproofing weather barrier on the bottom of this, fill this up with the insulation, and then cover it up with the deck system.
Smart.
So that becomes your floor system.
Absolutely. Now we're going to save a ton of money on the trades such as plumbing and electrical,
100%.
because now they're not having to bury it.
Yeah.
And if the maintenance,
you can run inside the floor system.
Yeah, you can. You going 3 foot up, you can just go right underneath and repair it.
Yeah.
Quick repair. Now also roofing. Now we're offering a roofing system, so don't need a roofer.
Exactly.
And siding, we're providing steel.
So it becomes a whole system. It's the ultimate building system. That's what we should call it. It's the ultimate building system for any residential construction.
And tell us about how they're screwed together. These are just basic self-tapping metal screws.
That's all it is. And with the system that we have, everything comes pre-nippled in a way that it becomes, like I like to say, it's stupid proof. You cannot mess this up. Once you have the sketch of this panel, all you need to do is just find hole A with hole B and put a screw through. That's all it takes. So anyone without any set of skills can put this together.
And what about these holes?
And these are called the service holes. And these can also be customized to a point where you can run
your
MEPs, wires, your
MEPs,
your water lines, anything through. And look at the precision. That is precise, my guys.
That's perfect.
Precision.
Yeah, because it's all pre-engineered, pre-cut in a manufacturing plant, based all the designs which our company provides designs, architectural designs, the MEPs, the structural and the foundational plans. And here, I mean, God, you're saving so much money. I mean, if you're building in places like Florida and places just flooded like Texas, I know people are calling us like crazy right now trying to build their homes. And builders are scared of this.
Yeah.
But framers can be converted to this within a week.
One thing that I want to just point out is if anyone out there wonders, like, well, is this thing, suitable for to be commercialized in the market? Yes, it is. We are ICC certified. So this ESR 2361, this is our certification in the whole country. We can go anywhere within the 50 states of the United States, and this will become no one can say that this is not a actual product. So it comes with a lot of.
And I've talked to some of your partners as well, and they said that this is dominating in South America.
100%.
This is how all they build their homes.
Yes.
Because wood, and they've yeah. And it's also an inferior product. Yep. And also carpenter. How long does it take for a carpenter to actually learn how to frame a house?
Well, I mean, someone who's never done it before is going to take him
a year.
So, but there's one thing that I want to show you, Juan.
Yes.
And show your followers as well. Is like for all the wood framers out there. So whenever you're doing the construction of this magnitude, you always have to run your headers over your doors and windows. With the system, this is all integrated. It's a monolithic process. So the same product that makes the walls also makes the headers. So there's no hassle between trying to put different types of products together. Everything becomes one system. And look how heavy this is. This is about 220 pounds, and this thing just holds me like there's nothing. So this is one of the things that I keep saying to wood framers out there. It beats wood in that way. Like, it becomes a lot faster, a lot simpler, and becomes a monolithic system without having to add different LVLs.
And even seeing some of this wood, even we got some wood out here that's been laid around out here. I mean, when you expose this to the weather, you just let this sit out in the weather.
This is sitting out here for
you let
3 months.
3 months, and then you're letting wood sit out here, and then it's going to get.
It's garbage.
Yeah. After 3 months, you lay it out in the weather.
Yeah.
It's going to rot, deteriorate, moisture. Yeah. Moisture gets in the wood. Yeah. But this,
it outlasts everything. This will actually, almost last forever.
Yeah. It's galvanized, and it's not going to rust. I don't see a rust on it.
Yeah.
I don't see no rust.
Not a single sign.
And it's pretty. It looks good. So once you cover it up and you got a quality product, that's going to last.
Yeah.
Guys, check us on the web.
Yeah.
ColtFirm.com.
And Metalleve Wall Systems.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. Great education.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.